Good morning, everybody. Today is Rusty Eyeball Car Show Day. Willmar, Minnesota. Stroke box is coming with. Belverado's coming with. Just learned on a little test drive this morning, the headlights on the Belverado ain't working, so that's cool. Good thing the sun's coming up, and it's got a light bar on it, so there's that. As long as we're home before dark, it's probably not a problem. Kids already in the car, ready to go. Let's hit the road. We made it to our first meetup spot, as far as I know, with no problems. I don't know for sure though. There could be something we didn't see or hear or know. The wife is in tow. She's driving the Belverado. Behind that is Tim with his Model A, which is badass. Supercharged small block. Love that thing. Right now we're gonna go meet up with some more cars though. Hopefully we can find our friends. There they are. Just looped up with us here. We're gonna hit the road. We're heading to Litchfield, Minnesota now, where we're gonna meet up with hopefully some more. Hell yeah. So now we're linked up with some more cars. We're gonna hit the road again. We're already 2 hours and 45 minutes into our drive this morning before meeting up with these guys. So I think we got like another 25, 30 minutes to go. Who knows? We'll get there though. Heading out to the show. I don't know how many cars we ended up, 3, 4, 7, 10. I don't freaking know. A little scraping, it'll be fine. Hell yeah! I better pay attention. You hold that. We just dropped one back there. I don't know what happened. Still trying to figure those details out. If we got to go back for them, we will. Spectator parking. We're all rolling in here. We're kind of stuck. Beautiful weather today. Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun. Hey buddy! How much is it? It's for me and her.
Perfect. Thank you much.
Thank you.
There's one for your kid.
Thank you. I'm trying to find a spot out of the wind and away from the music, because the music is awesome, but really loud and copyright issues we don't need. Look at this. There's so much freaking variety here. It's awesome. I love it. I'm so happy we made it. I'm so happy the weather is beautiful today. So many cars to look at. Rusty Ratrods, old vintage barn find type stuff, shiny cars, the whole works. Rusty Eyeball 2025. Let's go for a walkabout. Pokey. We're gonna go over here and interview Mr. Pokey Tire himself. Oh, damn, he's not even here. I could never own this because we all know, guaranteed, my fingers would go right through them holes, singe my fingertips off. I really like this truck. This thing is pretty cool. With little bomber lights and everything.
sister, her sister, she was last year community center in Wisconsin. Next one is a 51 Ford Custom from Zambroda. SimonSaysGarage. Follow him on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, YouTube, all the crap, you know it all. Thank you. Dwayne Rasmussen from Bloomington, Minnesota. 715 with the 1934 Rolls Rat. 717, Tim and Carla Peters out of, we don't know where they're out of exactly, doesn't say on here, with the 1930 Model A. 718 from Ramsey, Minnesota. Jesse Asher.
Is that pokey tire guy?
Oh, nice. That's cool.
Jesse, what's your truck? International white? 64. Okay. One that blows all that black smoke. Like they should. Travis Nord.
Yeah.
That's with the Plymouth. Special Deluxe.
Big sexy. Big sexy baby.
Is that Big Sexy? That's Big Sexy. There we go.
So's the truck.
Is that the truck or which one is it? Worst of show this year.
He looks at my truck, he goes, that's my former statement. We do know.
You get a drum roll? Pat, you got where's your drum roll? There we go, there we go. From my Sandy, Minnesota, Mr. Jason Walker. That's our show for this year. I appreciate everybody coming out. Really, thanks everybody. Same time next year. I'm gonna pray to God that we get the same weather we had this year for next year as well.
It was pretty awesome. We took home a top 10 finish along with a few other of our friends, so that's freaking cool. I'm loaded up, the kids in the car. Let's hit the road and hope that Bel Air, fingers crossed, makes the whole trip trouble-free. If not, might just leave it on the side of the road. If anything happens, I'll show you. Otherwise, it'll be, this will be the end.
Hi, I'm Jesse. I am the 2025 what year was it? 2025, yeah. Pokey Tire champion, right? Is that how you word it?
I mean, you carry the cup with you. You probably have it.
It's in my truck. Yeah, no, I always carry it on me. So you gotta add now, Rusty Eyeball Top 10. When you like introduce me.
I'm restricted on time.
Okay, it's fine.